Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today I want to talk about what tools and supplies I carry in my Harley Davidson Swingarm bag. So we're going to get into that. I'm going to show you guys what I take with me and more at the end. I'll show you some other stuff I do to protect myself or be prepared in case something happens. Also, if you stay tuned toward the end of this video, I'll discuss parts that I just ordered for the bike and installs that are going to be coming up. But for now, let's get into this of tools and supplies that I carry in my Swingarm bag. So I got it unlatched here. So of course when I go out, I always put a fresh one in, but I always take a bottle of water with me. Never want to leave home without some water. You can drink it, wash your hands. You never know when you're going to need a water. Alright, we'll put that there. And then in today's COVID times, I always bring a mask. I'm hoping in 2021 that these go out the window. I'm getting tired of them, but it is what it is. I also keep my sock for my air cleaner in there in case I get stuck in the rain. You can pop that on. Alright, also registration, insurance card. I always keep some wipes to clean my visor. I have some loose Allen wrenches in here for the swing arm bag. All my accessories, I keep them in case something comes loose. I can tighten them up. Also in here, hopefully I won't need these much longer because I'm planning to change my indicators to LED, but I carry an extra tail light bulb because I've already had two go out, so I always make sure I have a spare tail light bulb. This is my brake disc lock that I carry with me, which is pretty nice. I did a video on this, so I'll leave the link up here. You can go and check that out. This goes on the front brake disc. It makes noise. If the bike is moved, it goes off like an alarm and you can't roll the bike. This will actually hit the brake caliper or the fork and stop it. I call this device this will stop a low budget thief. If it's a professional, this isn't stopping anybody, but it is a deterrent. So I always take that with me. Same thing for security. I have a helmet lock. You know what? This is going to stop what I call the honest thief. The guy that would have normally just walked by if he saw it and it was loose and took it. Well, with this, it's going to be strapped on. That guy will walk by. If it's somebody that really wants the helmet, they'll probably slice the chin strap, which then makes it useless anyway. Or they'll just steal the whole bike if they really want it. So this is what I call the honest thief theft deterrent. But I did a video on this too. I'll leave the link up there and you can go check out the helmet lock. What else do I have in my goodie bag? Okay. I carry a 4 11/16 electrical junction box cover. If I go somewhere and I think the ground might be a little bit soft, I pop this under my kickstand so my bike won't sink in and tip over. So that's worth having. A bundle of couple different size tie wraps in case something on the bike breaks. Got the tie wraps to fix it. A roll of electrical tape. Tape always comes in handy. I also keep an all-in-one screwdriver with multiple sizes and bits. It's like a 12-in-1. Keep that in there if I need it. A pair of Linesman electrical pliers. These are good to hold stuff, cut stuff. They're heavy. You could use them as a hammer if you need to. So that's a tool that I advise taking. Adjustable wrench. Always keep that with me. A spare charging cable for my phone in case you guys know how cheap these things are. So I always keep a spare in there. And at the bottom, I keep a rag. You never know when you're going to need a rag. All right? So that is what I keep in my Harley Davidson Swingarm bag. Now I have a couple other things that I want to show you that I do when I prepare to ride. So I'll go over that with you, and then I'm going to tell you about the stuff that I bought for the bike. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm asking you nice, take the time, hit that little subscribe button. Help me out. I'd appreciate it a lot, especially if you like my videos and you watch them. Hit the like button. Alright, so just something else I want to touch with what I do when I leave my house is I leave my tool bag somewhere accessible for my wife or somebody. If I get in a bind and I need it, I could call them. They pick this up. I have a tank that I leave filled up with air in case my tire goes down. I have a plug kit. If I get a flat tire, we have tubeless tires. This would be, to me, a temporary fix. I don't like riding a motorcycle knowing there's a plug in the tire. So either, this is for an emergency to get home or whatever, then I would have the tire fixed from the inside or just replace the tire. And I also have a little compressor that I leave this pile of stuff. If I have to call somebody, I say the pile is in the garage or my wife knows where it is. She'll bring it out to me. All right, so now to tell you about the parts I ordered. I went to Harley Davidson over the weekend. I went with the intention on buying the docking hardware for the back of the bike. And then I would pick out the sissy bar, everything that I wanted. Turns out I started looking at the catalog. I ordered the docking hardware, I ordered a sissy bar, I ordered a luggage rack. I didn't find the 2-up seat that I wanted, so all that stuff's on order, supposed to be in toward the end of the week. So I'm real excited about that. The stuff looks really cool. I'm gonna get the 2-up seat. I'll do the install on the sissy bar, the luggage rack. I also have the install on the rear shocks coming up. And then I'll get that 2-up seat, put that on there. I don't intend on putting the passenger pegs on the bike because I do have the swing arm bag, which is in the way of the passenger pegs. But I want the seat there so I could set a backpack on it, strap it to the sissy bar and stuff. If I decide to go on longer rides this year and I need to bring supplies, I'll have the luggage rack, I'll have the area of the 2-up seat to put a backpack, some supplies and stuff. So, should be good. I have a bunch of interesting videos coming up. I just want to give a shout out to my wife and say thank you for all you do, for supporting me, supporting my YouTube channel, and funding all my motorcycle parts or helping me fund them. I do appreciate that. She was sitting in the car when I went in the dealership, told her I was spending $100. Came out, she had got the alert that I spent $400. She just smiled, laughed, and said, "You don't even have a bag in your hand." So that's that. Got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Like I said, if you like my channel, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.